Like that. I think a lot of people at the moment are on holidays.
Oh, yes. Correct.
Right, I think I'll do. Wait a minute. I think I'll do number 7. I think we've done this before, but this is a tricky one. So, okay, hold on. I'll zoom out. Hold on. There we go. Is that okay? Can you read that? Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, all good.
Okay, so you plan to track resource usage and prevent the deletion of resources. To which resources can you apply the locks? Um, so resource usage, what, and prevent the deletion of resources.
So a virtual machine is a resource. The
Yep,
subnet is a resource.
yep,
The management group is a resource, and
yep.
the resource group is a resource. I would say it's number 4
I would
from the
say so
top.
too. Yeah.
I agree. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, sorry, I picked the wrong one.
No, I think it's the right one.
No, I
I
think
don't
it's a
know.
reset. No, no, you can't,
Oh, yeah.
you can't do it with the management group or the tenant
Ah,
group.
yes. Yes.
So
Agreed.
it's
Agreed.
sub one, RG1 VM1. Uh, Sorry, my eyesight is really bad at the moment. You plan to?
Have you not been to the doctors?
No,
You need to go to the doctors. What's wrong with your eyesight?
no, it's my right eye. I can't see out of it.
Jordi, you need to go, honestly.
Yeah.
Why? What's the reason? Have you got an infection?
I No, I did do, but I've got a spare one. It's okay. The left one's
Come on, no.
okay. But
Don't
anyway,
do that.
anyway, don't worry about my eye.
Yeah,
So
I am worried. I am worried. It's your eye. You need to go. You need to see a doctor, a specialist.
I'm not going to any more doctors ever again in my life.
Oh,
Okay, you need to prevent you plan to track resource usage and prevent deletion of resources. So, which resources? I would say it's the same one.
yeah, number 3, right?
Yeah. Oh, right. We need to zoom in on this one. Hold on. Okay, so what's the question here? Something assign the user role for V1. So we're looking at
Who's
users.
assigned to the owner role? Yeah, out of all these
Yeah.
bits.
So what was the question? The owner role for V1, or sorry, VM1. I'll let you have a little look. So you've got user one. I would definitely say it's user one, owner. I wouldn't say it's that because the scope is resource group 2.
Yeah, you've got to work out first of all, where does VM1 sit? If you look at the next one down, the scope lists VM1,
Yeah,
right?
VM1, yeah.
So that's the one to start using for this. So the first thing is look at the subscription details, ends in 26FF on that scope line. It's resource group RG1. Okay, so if you're looking on that
Oh,
scope
yeah,
line of the
okay.
third option,
Here.
so the point is, look at the different scopes. So subscription that ends in 26FF. So that for if you go back up to the first one, that means user. What is that? User 2 or user 1 on that? I can't. It's a bit blurred on the screen.
What is it?
What's the display name on that very first one?
It says role assignment ID.
Yeah, no. The display name, is it user 1?
User 1, yeah, user
Right.
1.
User 1 has got owner of that whole subscription.
Yeah.
Remember, child inherit parent rules. Therefore, we know that subscription includes VM1 because we verified that on the scope on the third item. So we know user 1's included. User 2 is RG2. Well, VM1 is in RG1. We confirmed that. So nothing to do with user 2.
Yeah.
Scroll down to the third one. User 3 is given explicit owner permission on VM1 itself. So we know it. So currently it's 1 and 3.
Yeah.
And if we look down to the last one, RG1, user 4, it's only got contributor.
Yeah.
Not owner.
Not owner, yeah.
So it's only 1 and 3.
So it's 1 and 3, isn't it? Yeah. So
who can create a
create
virtual machine in RG1? So it's exactly the same statements again.
Yeah. So it's got to be 1.
It's going to be 1 because it's got
4,
ownership on the whole subscription.
And 4, RG1.
Yeah. Because
or is it? Or no, that's good. Oh yeah, contributor can.
Contributor can, yes.
Yeah. So
the only thing a contributor cannot do is assign roles, assignments.
Okay.
Only the owner can do the RBAC.
Yeah, contributor can create. Yeah. Okay. So 1 and 4, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I'll zoom out here. You assign the Microsoft IDP2 license to Group 1 and User 4. Which users are assigned the Microsoft Entra? Okay, the answer is just there, isn't it? So
no, when you look at the answers, you've got to determine which users. So user 4's got it because it's an individual user.
Yeah.
But who's in Group 1?
Oh.
Look at the information above. Who's in Group 1? Because the group's got the license.
What do you think, Roxanne?
Well, number 1 and 4.
I would say 1 and 4.
Yeah. Let's go for it.
Now, look at the top table. These are nested groups. See, Group 2 is a member of Group 1. Group 3 is a member of Group 2.
Member of none. I'm going to say user 1 and user 4.
I think it's all 4 of them.
Okay, we'll take a vote. Roxanne, what do you think? I say user 1 and user 4.
It's all of them, as Dave said.
Oh, okay. Well, okay. I'll
Look,
go with
if you think of, let's follow user 3 through, for example, why I think that. User 3 is a member of Group 3, right? Group 3 is a member of Group 2, and Group 2 is a member of Group 1. Therefore, the license assigned to Group 1 can flow down.
Yeah.
That's my logic. I'm not saying I'm correct. That's just my thinking.
I would agree with that, Dave.
It's the way I would answer it personally. But I know these license assignments get a bit complicated sometimes, so I'm never confident in them.
But I'm just saying, like, okay, you got is assigned to group 1 on user 4.
Yeah, group 1 includes user
Is
1 for
user
sure.
1, yeah. And
But group
then,
1 also includes group 2, because that's what the top table's telling you.
hmm. Okay, I'll go with you guys. If you, I would say this one, I would say 1 and 4, but okay. Oh, hold on. Zoom in. Hold on, I'll zoom in a bit more.
Oh, so the VNet peering.
It's a bit, it's a bit blurred there. So hosts on VNet 6 can communicate with hosts on
Well, look at the table above.
yeah, I'm gonna say
Look at the
yeah,
peering options.
yeah,
They've highlighted VNet 6. Now look at your peering.
yeah. It's only VNet 1, VNet 2. Or VNet
No,
1 is disabled.
look at they're
Or
all
sorry,
disconnected.
enabled VNet 2. Okay. But they're all disconnected.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're
I,
all
so I
disconnected.
think it's VNet 6 only,
Yeah, it's VNet
personally.
6 only, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
I would say so, yeah. To change the status of the peering connection to VNet 1 to connect it, you must first
Mm.
so to change the status of the pairing, I,
Is it
I,
is it the first option at the service endpoint
I would say no.
or
I would say delete.
delete pairing?
Yeah. So then you can change it.
Okay.
What do you think, Dave? Would that be right? I don't know. I'm opting
I'm
towards delete.
tempted to say yes. You don't need a service endpoint.
Yeah.
Don't need a subnet, as far as I'm aware. There's no information about the address space. So how do you know if you need to modify it or not?
Yeah.
So by deduction, I would go with the delete peering one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You install the web server IIS server role on VM1 and VM2, then add VM1 and VM2 to load balancer 1. LB1 is configured as shown. Oh, in the exhibit. Hold on, I'll look that up in a wee second. And rule 1 is in here. So the question is VM1 is in the same availability set as VM2. So VM1, VM2. Yeah, it should be because your back end is 2 virtual machines.
No, scroll down, but that doesn't define an availability set.
Okay.
That's just the back end pool.
Basic SKU balancing rule port 80. Yeah, if they yeah, I would say so. What's the question again? Yeah, see, but they both go to the same port, don't they? So, or
Yeah, but think about what an availability set is. What's the purpose of it? What do you set up with availability sets? Remember, with an availability set, you have an update domain and a fault domain.
I don't know this one. I don't know this one, Dave. I don't know this one.
I think the answer is no, simply because there's no information on availability sets there.
Yeah. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know this one. Yeah, there's nothing there, is there? I can't see anything.
No, putting things together in a back-end pool doesn't necessarily make it an availability set, is my logic.
Okay.
All we can say from that information is there are two VMs in the back-end pool, and we're only talking about two VMs in the question.
Yeah.
So the assumption is they're the same ones, but that doesn't make it necessarily an availability set, is my logic. I mean, Roxanne, what do you think? Just go with an answer and we'll find out at the end.
Yeah.
I would say no.
Okay. Okay. So, it's the same scenario. So if probe 1 is present on VM1 and VM2, load balancer 1 will balance traffic for port 80 between VM1 and VM2. I would say yes for that one.
Let's check it out. Yeah, I would say yes.
Probe 1 is the probe associated with the load balancer. We saw that in the first information. You can see that there. It says health probe.
Yeah.
On the LB information. So then the rule, what's the rule saying? The rule is balancing port 80 in the back-end pool based on probe 1.
Yeah. So that's a yes, isn't it?
Yeah,
yes.
I think so.
Same again, same scenario. So if you delete rule 1, load balancer 1 will balance all the requests between VM1 and
So in other
VM2.
words, if there are no rules set up in the load balancer, what does it do?
Well, if you delete rule 1, then it won't.
Well, it's going to be a case of it will balance everything, or it will balance nothing, isn't it?
Yeah,
with no
but
rules.
balance nothing. Yeah.
Let you guys decide.
I'm saying no.
Well, I will agree with you.
Okay. Oh, okay, right. Would you like me to zoom in a bit? Or can you?
No, I'm fine.
Or it's okay? Okay. Right, we've got this as subscription. You can install and configure a web server and DNS server on VM1. VM1 has the effective network security rules. Okay, so you got all the rules. So internet users can. Right, let's have a look. What's the answers? Okay, that's 50 to 60 deny.
Okay. There's two bits of missing information here that you need, or you should know. What ports does DNS use, and what ports is the web server using? So it doesn't tell you.
No, it doesn't tell you.
But the thing is, this is common information, so you'd be expected to know. This is what it's checking for starters. So what port does your standard HTTP request use? Let's look at unencrypted web servers. Roxanne, do you know your ports?
I've forgotten my ports as well.
Right. Standard HTTP uses port 80.
Is 80? Yeah, so it's only the web server then.
Hang on. What does DNS use?
Is it does it begin with 3?
What's the famous road in America? If you're doing a road
66?
trip. No, there's another one.
Oh.
53.
Okay. 53.
Route 53. So 53 is the port for DNS.
Okay.
So look at the very first rule,
so
priority 100.
Deny. Right.
For what ports?
50 to 60.
50 to 60. So that's blocking all DNS.
Yeah.
So there's no way the internet can connect to DNS on VM1. 300 is about RDP. We don't care about that. Let's go to 400. Rule 1. 50 to 500 allow. So 50 to 60 on that will be denied anyway, because you remember when you go through a list like this, as soon as you hit the first deny, that's it. Doesn't matter what's beyond it. But that means port 80 comes into the allow.
Okay, yeah.
Doesn't it?
So then that's just the web server, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what I was
that's the way I read it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what I was thinking as well.
So if you delete rule 2 internet users, so rule 2.
Rule 2 is the one that's blocking the DNS.
Yeah. No, it's a lot.
Yeah, rule 2 is the priority 100 one.
Okay, so internet users. But you can still connect to the DNS.
Yeah, because rule 1 allows connection to the DNS if it's not being blocked by rule 2. So now you can connect to both.
Yeah. So it's the first one, isn't it?
No, web server and DNS.
This one can connect to the web server and DNS server. Yeah. Okay. Oh, right. This is a long question.
You get a lot like this in the exam.
Yeah. So subscription 1, the IP address 10 to 10. Okay, so you've got different IP addresses, address spaces. You need to connect VNet 1 to VNet 2. I think I know what I would go for in this one. If you're connecting the two virtual networks together, you don't need to modify the address space. You don't need to do that. Move VNet 1 to subscription 2. And you don't need to do that. I would say gateway.
Yeah. I would say it's fine.
Okay.
Go with it.
name of the virtual network will be the same as the location of the resource group. I'll let you read through that.
Can you scroll up a bit?
Yep. Oh, sorry, I'll just zoom out a little bit more. Oh, is that too far?
Yeah, just scroll up a bit.
So what was the question again? Sorry. The name of the virtual network will be the same as the location of the resource group. Well, the name is VNet 1. The location is just a location. So I would say no.
Yes, the location is not part of the name, is it? It's got an explicit name.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it's a no.
Mm-hmm. Both subnet objects will be provisioned successfully.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, I would say so. So deploying file 1 bicep more than once will cause an error message. Will cause an error message if you deploy it more than once. So if you have a template, it ain't gonna give you an error message, in my opinion.
What was the question? Deploying from will cause an error message. Why? Why will it cause? Could you scroll up a bit?
Yes. So you're planning to deploy the following file. You're deploying this. If you deploy it more than once,
I don't know.
it's like it's a template, so it won't cause an error message.
Great.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
say
it's what's called idempotent, which comes up in some questions. All infrastructure as code follows the same thing. So in other words, if you redeploy the same template, no changes, nothing will happen. If you were to just modify one of the parameters in there, only the change will be deployed, not the whole thing. So say you added creation of a VM into that bicep file, only the VM creation would happen on the second time around because the networks have already been done.
yes.
So that's what they call idempotent, and you keep getting that word coming up in various questions.
Idempotent. Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't heard that one before. Okay. That's good to know. I'm gonna write that down. Sorry, 2 seconds. Okay. Cheers, Dave. That's a new one for me. Okay, so you got a VPN gateway. Your subscription contains the resources here. So you need to ensure that all traffic from VM1 to Storage1 travels across the Microsoft backbone network. What should you configure? Backbone. I think I know what I would go for.
Proxy?
Which one? Sorry.
The proxy, the application proxy, or not? All the traffic.
There's one thing you have to configure to redirect traffic that might normally go out via the internet to use the backbone.
Yeah, so
So
you're
you're thinking about the network structure that you've got to build. So you're not connecting up VNet, so we can scrap the peering service.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nothing to do with Entra ID. This is not about identity management. So you won't be having the application proxy.
Oh, it's the gateway.
It's not.
No.
No, it's not the gateway either. No.
The application gateway is your layer 7 load balancer.
Okay.
Service endpoints are what you do to redirect service traffic via the backbone because you configure them per service.
Yeah.
So you could have SQL database for connection, or in this case, we're talking about storage usage.
Yeah. Oh. Another long question.
How many long
I've got to drop off, guys. I've got other places I've got to be.
Oh, cheers, Dave. Thank you very much, mate. Cheers
Good
for joining in.
Yeah,
have a good evening.
mate.
See you next time.
All right. Take your handy.
Bye-bye.
Cheers, mate. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, you're stuck with me now. So.
Yes.
Okay, so what are we looking at here? Okay, we've got a storage account. Storage account contains blobs in a container. You plan to access to storage one, or sorry, plan to share access to storage one. You need generate shared access signature, and you must have these two things.
Which trace settings should you enable?
Okay, hold on. What is the? Oh yeah. Which 3 settings should you enable? Okay. Least privileged. Well, that's got to be. I'll start from the bottom, work up. What do you reckon? What's the least privileged?
Rate.
Yeah, I would say so.
File. Contain.
I would say, but also the blobs. So where are blobs stored?
Is it container? I think it's gonna be container.
Yeah.
And file.
I don't think it's a file.
No, it's not file.
No, files. No.
Container. Maybe object. No, no.
No, it's not.
Maybe the filter. No, it's not the filter.
No.
It's the list.
Yep.
I think it's the list or a file.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. Was this the same question?
No.
Oh no, it's not. Sorry. So minimize the number of secrets used. Ensure that app2 can only read from storage 1 for the next 30 days.
Oh.
It's not access keys. It's not advanced security.
Is it the last option, SAS?
I think it might be. I think you're right. Yes, I think it is.
Yeah, let's try it.
So app2. Ooh. Hold on, actually, let me go back. App 1. I think that's access control, actually.
Is it?
I think so. I think because up to
Okay.
can only read the storage for the next 30 days. That's a shared access signature. So I think this one
Yeah, it's fine.
minimize the amount of secrets used is yeah access control,
Okay.
and I would go with that one for app two. I think.
Yeah, okay. Um,
Okay. So we're looking at Microsoft Entra, user one, geo redundant storage. You must.
maybe it's access keys this time.
No, it's definitely not access keys. So user one must be able to write blob data. Oh, two settings. Two settings.
Oh
Okay.
yeah. Is it redundancy
I would say redundancy, yeah,
and signature? What do you think?
yeah, yeah, okay, I'll go with that one. I'm not too sure about that. I always get confused between these two.
We can check it anyway at the
Yeah.
end of the test.
Right. Okay. So this one is Windows. This one, the runtime stack is Linux. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So which app service plan can be used for Web App 1?
Mm-hmm. One sec.
Hold on, I'll zoom out a little bit.
ASB1 and 2. Or is it 1 and 3?
Yeah,
I think it's 1 and 3.
yeah, because you can still use Linux. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I would say so too. Okay,
Okay.
so for Web App 2, which is Windows, so uh,
Is it only 3? ASB
it's
3.
gotta be just one because it's in the
Mm-hmm.
West US.
Okay.
Um, that's what I think. What do you reckon? I'll go with whatever you reckon.
No, just go with, I don't know, to be honest. Just let's go with 1 then.
All right. Okay, I'm going to leave the next question to you. I'm not going to say a word. All right.
Okay. Plan to make right. Oh my god, it creates a note.
So you got the address space. $10. So you need to move DC1 to VNet1. DC1 domain controllers. So it's DNS. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, I'm not going to say anything. I do know this one actually, but
I think it's the last option, maybe. I don't know. What would you think? What do you think?
The first one.
Is it the first one? Okay, then let's go with it.
I don't know why, but I just know that one.
Okay.
I'm not as good as explaining things as Dave is, but okay. So
Well, we can get experience. Is that Dave is my experience, right?
yeah, no, he's
He's
brilliant.
done IT for ages, looks like.
Yeah, no, he's brilliant. He's been in it 30 years.
Oh, yeah. And how long have you been doing IT? Oh,
Less than a year.
me too. Me too.
But you know your stuff. You knew your stuff with the AZ 900. So you're doing very
For
well.
that one,
Yeah.
104, I haven't done any studies yet because I
Yeah,
just
but you
want
know it.
to
You're
take
actually.
it.
I'm pretty sure you will pass this.
Hopefully
Um,
that. Hopefully, Jordi. I'm really hoping.
okay, so what are we doing here again?
Another long question. Migrate Composer to Azure.
Okay, so you need to move. So, okay, DNS names. How should you configure the name resolution? What?
Is it number 3?
Private DNS. I don't know this one. Um, a private DNS. So,
Yeah. Shall we go for private?
uh, it's not the default.
No.
It's not public. It could be a
It's either
custom.
the first
It's the
or
first or the
third. Yeah.
yeah. I'm
Custom.
gonna say the first.
Okay, let's do the first.
Right, we can zoom back in again. Right. 1 terabyte of data. Okay, yeah. Virtual machine. You plan to add 1 terabyte data disk. That meets all these. Hmm. Okay, ensures that no data loss occurs if a host fails, provides the lowest latency. Okay, I definitely know it's ZRS.
Okay. Uh,
So I'm thinking it's
is it premium though
I
or
would
standard?
uh, mm, I'm thinking premium because yeah, it
Okay.
provides the lowest latency. Yeah, okay, it's more expensive, but so
Let's
this
go
one, yeah,
for a premium. Yeah.
yeah, spend the money.
Yeah.
Um, okay, I'll let you answer this one. I'll be quiet.
You have an Azure subscription which contains a virtual machine VM1. Okay, provides data resiliency, provides the lowest latency, no data loss occurs, which cascading would you recommend? Read and write, or read and write?
Um, no, as I say, I'll let you answer it.
Maybe the last option, read and write.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I'm wrong.
actually, no, I think you might be right. Actually, yeah, yeah.
Did Bolden and Scott get into an argument, really? Sorry for asking you the question. That's really weird.
Um, Roxy, I'll talk to you about that later. I'm recording this now, so.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I didn't know. Which subnets you can apply in SG1?
Subnets.
Is it number 3 only?
Oh. Which subnets? NSG1 is HGS.
Maybe all of them. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3.
I think it's 3.
Yeah. Is it number 3 or the 3 of them?
I think it's just number 3. Because
Okay,
then
then.
RG1, that'll filter down
Let's
into
go with that one.
from RG1 to RG2, so I would say 3.
Yeah, let's go with that one.
Right, what are we doing here? So we've got that a datum whatever contains a group named developers. Subscription 1 contains a resource group named dev. You need to provide the developers group with the ability to create Azure Logic apps in the dev resources. On the dev, so that's the resource group. So on dev, you assign contributor role to the developers group. So the ability to create Azure Logic apps. So do you think a contributor can create Azure Logic apps?
Maybe yes, maybe not. I think no. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, okay then.
Don't ask me why, but
Need to
dev the Logic app. So that's
I think that one is gonna be a yes. The
yeah,
previous
that's gotta
one.
be a yes. Yeah.
The previous one maybe is a no. I think the previous one is a no. But anyway, let's go with that, and we can
Okay.
see. We can check.
Okay. Right. Another long question. 16. I'll let you do this one.
It contains a virtual appliance named VM. Try to root. Okay. Need to root. Need to configure.
So it's not going to be with a prefix. It's not going to be 24.
Yeah,
So
I agree.
it's got to be 16, isn't it?
Yeah, okay then.
Oh. Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
So next hop type, and remember this one because the only reason I remember it is next hop type. I remember this question.
So which one is it?
It's virtual appliance.
Okay, let's go with that one.
Okay. Oh, it's the same thing again. You need to root all inbound traffic from the VPN gateway to VNet 1 through VM1. I'll let you answer this one. Let's be quiet.
I need to root. I don't know. Number 1 and 2, subnet 1 and 2, the last option. What do you reckon?
There's a clue.
Gateway. Yeah, it's the gateway. Okay. All right. Ooh, we've got another 16
I hope.
questions.
Oh no, another long
Oh my
question.
goodness.
Hold on. What's the question? VM2 can connect. Sometimes you don't need to read through all of this first. Just read the question. VM2 can connect to the TCP port 1433 on VM1. VM2 on VM1. No, I would say
No, yeah.
I
For me
would
to
say
know too.
yeah, because
No.
he's in the NSG too.
Yeah.
VM1 can connect to the TCP port
On the
1433.
VM2.
So VM1 to VM2, VM1 to VM2. Yeah, there's
I
no
think yes, yeah.
NSG. Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say yeah. Roxy, can you give me 2 seconds, please?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
just give me 2 seconds.
Yes.
Hello?
Hi there.
Sorry, excuse me, so sorry about that. There was
No,
somebody
it's fine.
at the door.
Yeah. I think it's a now. What do you reckon?
VM2 can connect to VM2 to the port on VM3.
VM2.
I think it's a yes.
Is it?
So 10,
Why?
10,
Wait, say
5,
yes.
2, 2, 5, 6. There's no NSG. So yeah,
Okay.
I would say
Okay.
yeah.
Okay then.
Oh,
Oh my god, another long.
yeah, yeah. I don't
Let's
think
go
it's.
through the question first.
Yes. Okay. let's go through the question first.
Can we?
You need to ensure that all virtual machines can resolve DNS names by using the DNS service on VM1. What should you do first? DNS service custom 1004. 10104. What's the answers? Ah, okay, so they need to be all together. I would say, okay, I know what I would say, but
What's your response?
no, what's yours?
Mm, I don't know. Is it number 1 or number 2?
Yeah, it's one of those two. I'm pretty sure. I think. I think.
Sorry, which one was it?
You said one or two. I said it's one of those two. So if you're trying to like all virtual machines,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So all virtual machines, like they're in VNet 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
So it's
Number
got to be
2,
1, 2, and
the
3.
second option. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do that.
So identify a security rule that prevents a network packet from reaching an Azure virtual machine.
Hmm. Identify a rule that prevents a network packet. Is it the capture, the packet capture?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know this one. I'm thinking it's not IP, or is it IP flow verify, or is it traffic analysis? It's not next hop.
No.
Uh,
It's either the traffic analysis or the capture.
okay. What do you reckon? I'll go with you.
Hmm. Packet capture.
Okay. Okay. You're using Network Watcher as your Network Watcher. Validate outbound connectivity from an Azure virtual machine to an external host.
External host. So.
External host. So you're connecting to it. Yeah.
Is it a hub?
No, but if you're connecting to
IP. Is it the IP? Or troubleshoot?
if you're connecting
I will leave this to you.
connection.
Yeah, okay, let's go with that. Connection
Yeah, to
troubleshoot.
an external host. It's got to be connection troubleshoot.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Right.
Another long one. Oh my god.
Okay, this is your one. I'll do the next one. Okay.
Okay. The Raider, admin Raider.
Reader security up. Oh,
Mm.
here's a clue.
The number
Here's a
number
clue.
1.
No,
Here is the clue.
here's a clue. You you need to be able to assign the reader role. Who can do that?
User one. I don't know. What's the answer then?
Okay, it's the administrator.
Oh yeah.
The administrator can assign roles
Oh
to
yes.
people.
Okay, nice one.
Sorry, that was supposed to be your one, but
No, it's fine.
okay, you can
You
take
do
this
that
one.
one.
No,
No,
you
no,
can
no.
take this one.
You have an Azure subscription. Okay, right. Configure an Azure. Will be triggered. Monitor. It's gonna be the monitor.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the monitor. Ooh.
Another one. Zoom out again. Right, what's the question? You're charged an early deletion penalty for file 1. So it's in file 1 is in hot.
You're charged an early deletion penalty. Is there a deletion penalty? Yeah, I think so. No.
Not for hot. There isn't.
No, it's not. All right, let's go to the next one.
You're charged an early deletion penalty for file 2.
So it's the code.
Cool.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, well, how many? Okay, look at the dates. 1st of January. File 2 moved to archive tier. But if you delete it, that doesn't matter. But how long is the retention period of the cool? If you remember, it's like 30 days.
Is it?
Yeah. So cool is 30 days, cold 90, archive 180. So that's gotta be a yes.
Okay.
I hope I'm right about that. You're charged an early deletion penalty for file 3. So file 3 is an archive.
File 3. I don't think so.
Yeah, I was thinking no as well.
No.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
a
Yeah, okay. I'll do that. Yeah, rehydrate. 5, 3.
no.
We shall see. Oh, right. A site-to-site connection can be established between VNet 1 and VNet 2. Site-to-site connection. What do you think?
Let me read the question. What's the question? Site-to-site connection can be established between. I think so. It's a yes.
Why?
I don't know.
they're completely different locations and have two different address spaces, like completely different. You can pair them,
Mm-hmm.
but it's
Okay. Yeah.
but
Great. Just say now then. If it's not black, it's gonna be white. Let's go next.
VNet 1 and VNet 2 can be paired.
Yes.
Yeah, because they're
Yeah.
different address spaces. They don't overlap.
Good job. Good one.
VNet 1 and VNet A. It's VNet
VNet
A.
1.
Oh, there it is. So VNet 1, 10, 10, 10, 0. I would say yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, again, they don't overlap. The addresses do not overlap. Right.
Mhm.
So before you create a backend pool on SLB1, you must. Right. Let me see this. You deploy a standard balancer. You need to apply changes to VM1 as you configure SLB1. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I would say, what would you say? And I'm just looking at this.
We need to remove
Yeah,
the OSP first.
yeah, I would say so. Yeah.
Okay.
Good job. Before you can connect to VM1 uh, from SLB1, you must. Um, okay, I think I know what I would say on this one.
What would you say?
Okay, look at this one. Network security group, none.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's the first one then.
Yeah,
Creating configure.
I would say so.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, last one. Right, I'll give the last one to you.
Okay.
I'm not answering it. So you need to push the container registry or push the container image. So that
I
basically
think
means
it's the
uploading
second
it.
option. Is it the second option? Just list the images
I'm
in
not
the
answering it.
registry.
You know, yeah.
It's the second one.
if you're uploading an image,
Yeah, that's the one.
okay.
That was all. And the test.
It's
Ooh,
definitely a pass, but I don't know by how
hopefully.
much. 84.
Wow, it's a pass.
Yeah,
Nice one.
84.
Shall we check on the wrong answers?
Yeah.
That one.
Oh,
That one. That one. 1 and 4. That's why I
oh,
said 1 and 4. I said it
yeah. No,
initially.
you did actually.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
And then I had to agree with you guys. Anyway, so scroll down.
Yeah.
That one.
VM1 is availability set.
You remember I said the previous one is gonna be an is it number 8? Question number 8. It's an VM1. No, it's not.
Yeah, no, I said yes for that one.
Okay, scroll down. Let's check the next one. It's a pass, which is good. Good job. Good job, Jordi. Oh, that one. Did I say the signature is... Oh, signature is incorrect. So it's
Oh,
redundancy.
it's access
It's
control.
two.
I wasn't too sure about that one either.
Oh, I thought we had three settings. Anyway, yeah, it's fine. We can live with that. It's no problem.
Yeah, incorrect. Shared access signature incorrect. Although SAS can grant scope permissions using IAM rules, is a more secure and manageable solution for granting user one. Okay. So SAS tokens are better suited for temporary or delegated access scenarios. You know the way it's like you give access for like 30 days or something? Yeah.
Yeah. Overall, good job.
Oh,
That
what's that
one.
one?
Oh, it's a read only. Yeah, it's my mistake.
Oh, it's read only. Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was on my mind, but anyway, it's fine.
Well, we were half correct.
Yeah, exactly. So what's the next one? Oh,
Oh,
that one. Oh, it's
oh,
the
it's
IP.
IP.
Well, verify.
IP flow.
Mm.
Verify secure yeah. Verify.
I remember I did say IP flow. That was my first response. Anyway,
Always go with your first response
exactly.
or your first
Oh,
thought. Don't think about it
exactly.
that much.
Exactly.
What was that one?
It's it's the
Oh,
NSG.
configure NSG flows. Yeah.
Okay.
So
NSG
we're looking at
flows.
yeah. So it's in the question NSGs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we sort of sped up a little bit towards the end, so that's
Yeah.
our own
So
fault.
what's that one?
You're charged
No.
for an early
Yeah.
deletion for file 3.
Well, free.
File 3 is archive. Oh.
Anyway, it's a pass.
I think that's, yeah, the rest are, oh no.
Oh, that one. Oh, take a container image with the name. Oh. Can we see the explanation?
Yeah.
Um, the container image was. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, if you're, oh yeah, tag a container image with the name of the container
Okay, got
registry
it.
login server. Yeah, it's sort of like tagging an image on Facebook or something. You know, give it a name.
Yeah.
So yeah, the tag defines the target registry and repository location for the image. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
good.
but that's not too bad. That's not too bad.
That was a pass. That was great. So well done.
That's more than the pass. It's like 14% more than the pass. So
That's great.
But hold on.